This video will look at updating drawing sheets such as floor plans. A further video in this series will focus on creating a new drawing sheet and adding a cross-section view to this. Drawings are taken from the template project and thus are ready to update in the current project. To update the sheet with elements from the active project, go to the Output tab in the ribbon and select the Drawing Sheets command. The View Task dialog box will come up. Here you can define the settings for updating the drawing. The View section controls if the view and the drawn model itself is updated. It is advisable to have both of these options checked to ensure the latest saved version is used. In the settings, you can select different options for altering the look of the drawing, perhaps changing the type from the default wireframe to OpenGL or adding shadows, for example. You can also add grid lines to section views using this option here if grid lines are in your project. To actually refresh the drawing, simply click the drawing or drawings to be updated and click OK. The drawing sheet will then generate. For drawing sheets, it will be advisable to add in dimensions in the original drawing, whether that be the floor plan or the generated drawing. There are a number of tasks you can do once the drawing sheet is generated, however. For example, to move and rescale the drawing, in the Output tab, choose the Edit Drawing on Sheet command. Now select the drawing to move. Notice the change in the contextual toolbar, with the rotation and mirroring options available. To alter the scale, simply click the K icon here. Now choose one of the predefined scales or click the 1 to question mark to define a different value. Then place the drawing in the new location required. This concludes our video on updating drawings. Thank you for watching.